Hey guys, looking for some affordable Mother's Day gift ideas? Or maybe you have a friend or a family member going on vacation? Well, go ahead and check out this staycation inspired spa gift basket from Dollar Tree that was super easy to make and cost under $15. Here's everything that you'll need for the basket. It all came from Dollar Tree and I'll include the links below. First, I started by opening up some shred. I used 2 colors just to give it some interest and to match this super cute pineapple tote bag I found. Then I searched for the perfect tropical looking book. This one's called The Green Island that I placed next to these trendy sandals with a few loofahs just to bring out the yellow in the pineapple. This crystal wine glass reminds me of sea glass and I thought it'd be perfect for unwinding with a good book. The basket doubles as a gift holder and a pedicure bowl, so I wanted to add some bath salts for a relaxing foot soak. By the way, 2 different ladies around my mom's age said that this basket was cute when I was putting it together in the store, so you know it should be a hit with yours. This Seaside Ocean Mist candle smelled so good, just like a tropical island. Right now they have the cutest selection of scarves. I thought this one was really cute because the stripes matched the stripes on the tote and the sandals, tying it all back together. Then just add the finishing touches like some sunglasses for when you're laying out on the beach, and there you have it. A staycation or vacation gift basket, perfect for Mother's Day or a summer birthday gift to promote a relaxing spa day, whether at home, at the beach, at a hotel, or on vacation. If you guys want to add a couple extras, you can pick up something like this sunbathing hat, and also these face masks that are new at Dollar Tree are perfect fillers. Well, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so my videos will pop up in your feed. Also, let me know what your favorite item was from the basket, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.